Welcome Echo Hustle AI. Hustle smarter. Earn faster monetizing your skills with AI in today's digital age. Artificial intelligence has become one of the most powerful tools for creators. It can transform your creative process, elevate your work, and most importantly, help you monetize your skills. By harnessing AI, you don't just speed up your workflow. You unlock new opportunities to earn more and stand out in a competitive market. The future of content creation starts now. Content creators today have an unprecedented chance to rise above the noise by integrating AI into their workflows. Imagine being able to write an engaging article, design stunning visuals, or edit captivating videos in a fraction of the time it used to take. With AI, that's not just possible, it's becoming the new normal. AI allows you to streamline repetitive tasks, so you can focus on what really matters, producing high-quality work that resonates with your audience. As you explore these tools, your skills will not only improve but evolve, making you more valuable in a crowded space. This isn't just a passing trend. Monetizing your skills through AI is a complete shift in how content is created, shared, and consumed. Those who adapt now will thrive in this exciting new era. So, how do you actually do it? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Identify your strengths. Before jumping into tools, figure out where you shine. Do you love writing? Are you a designer? Do you enjoy video production? Once you know your niche, look for AI that complements your strengths. Writers can benefit from AI writing assistants that polish style and grammar. Visual creators can use AI-powered design tools to generate layouts or enhance their art. Video creators can leverage AI editing software to speed up cuts and add effects. The right tools amplify your abilities instead of replacing them. Step 2. Build a portfolio. When you start experimenting with AI, showcase the results. A portfolio is your digital storefront, and it should highlight both your best work and how AI helped improve it. Include before and after examples, behind-the-scenes breakdowns, or short case studies. This not only proves your skill but also shows that you're forward-thinking and innovative, qualities clients and audiences are looking for. Step 3. Strengthen your online presence. It's not enough to just create, you need to be seen. Use social platforms like Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, or YouTube to share your process and finished work. Post consistently, engage with your audience, and be authentic. A personal website or portfolio hub adds credibility and gives clients a place to see your best projects. Think of it as your business card in the digital world. Step 4. Collaborate and network. AI makes you faster, but relationships still open doors. Connect with other creators, join online communities, and attend workshops or digital events. Collaboration exposes you to new ideas and introduces your work to larger audiences. Every interaction is an opportunity, whether it's learning a new skill, finding a client, or creating something amazing together. Step 5. Use analytics to grow. AI isn't just creative, it's analytical. Use AI-driven data tools to see what's working. Learn which posts get the most engagement, what style your audience loves, and where you should focus your energy. The more you understand your audience, the more valuable your content becomes. Data helps you refine your strategy and make smarter decisions. Step 6. Tell your story. Your work sets you apart, but your story connects you with people. Share how AI impacts your process. Talk about the challenges you faced, the breakthroughs you've had, and the way AI has changed your workflow. This kind of storytelling builds trust and loyalty. Clients and audiences don't just want to see the finished product, they want to feel the journey behind it. As you build, remember to keep your portfolio fresh. Add testimonials from people you've worked with. Share process videos, before and after comparisons, and lessons learned along the way. This transparency builds credibility and shows that you're committed to quality and innovation. And don't forget the small wins. Celebrate them. Every improvement, every collaboration, every new follower or client is a step toward long-term success. Growth is a process, and showing that journey makes your brand relatable and human. Storytelling also plays a huge role in monetization. Share personal experiences about how AI helped you. Maybe it gave you more time to be creative. Maybe it solved a problem you couldn't fix before. By weaving your own story with AI's capabilities, you give your audience a reason to follow, support, and invest in your journey. The truth is, AI doesn't take away your originality, it enhances it. It frees you from repetitive tasks and lets your unique creativity shine. That combination, your personal touch plus AI's efficiency, is what sets you apart. The journey to monetizing your skills with AI is not about chasing trends. It's about building a career that's sustainable, future-proof, and fulfilling. The creative landscape is evolving quickly, and those who embrace this shift will be the ones shaping the future. So, identify your strengths, explore AI tools, build your portfolio, showcase your work, network with others, use data to your advantage, and tell your story. Do these consistently, and you'll carve out a space for yourself in this new digital economy. Remember, the formula is simple. Your skills plus AI tools plus authentic storytelling equals unlimited opportunities. Embrace AI alongside your creativity, and you won't just stay relevant, you'll thrive. Your skills, combined with this technology, have the power to unlock incredible success. The future of content creation is here, and it's yours to shape. If you found this video helpful and want more tips on how to use AI to grow your income, make sure you subscribe to Echo Hustle AI. I share simple, practical strategies that you can start using right away. No fluff, just results. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join our community of future AI entrepreneurs. Who knows? Your next big income idea could be in the very next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.